G'day, my name is Tech. This is my channel Bootlosophy, and today I'm going to be unboxing a parcel from Colombia. I wonder what it might be. Stay tuned. This box is from Colombian bootmaker Bordon. I'm hoping I pronounced it right because I don't speak Spanish, and I'm guessing Bordon is Spanish. Now, I joined a group MTO in November 2021, and these started getting made between December and 2021 and January this year. They shipped out on the 2nd of February, got held up via the US for about 5 or 6 days, and then arrived today about 2 weeks later. And I'm going to be having a look at what's inside. So let's open it up. Let's open this thing. This is the Bordon Tukano boot. This is the second batch. The first batch that they made was Blake stitched, because my understanding is that they don't actually have a Goodyear welting machine in Colombia. So things are Blake stitched by their craftsmen, traditional craftsmen that they employ under fair work practices. The second batch is a Stitchdown construction, and the interesting thing is that when I ordered this, based on the website instructions for the first batch, I was told to get true to size because of the Blake stitch construction needing an insole insert on the inside. When I ordered these, Andres, the owner, contacted me through my Instagram account. I've no idea how he tracked me on Instagram and figured out that my email was the same as my Instagram account. But he wanted to check the size I ordered in, and after some measurements and discussions, wonderful customer service, he made sure I ordered the right size. So here they are. Let's get this box out from the postage box. Nice box with a golden logo for Bordon, welted shoes, handmade in Colombia. The inside of the cover has some text, proudly handcrafted in Colombia. This collection is 100% made in Colombia with the best standards of craftsmanship, hand-lasted and handcrafted by highly experienced artisans, combined with a super eco-friendly production, avoiding raw material waste and overstock products that make a perfect and high-quality boot to enjoy every single moment. Shows you what the boot's made of. Shoe care, important use exclusively beeswax to maintain the rough-out suede. Excellent. Covered in tissue paper. Oh yes, I've heard of this. They also give you a key ring made of leather, which I understand is from the excess leather used to make the insoles and midsoles, so there's no waste involved. We made a keychain with the waist of your boots. Enjoy it. Love it. Environmentally friendly. Please give us your feedback using the QR code. Return policy. Oh, and a tin of premium beeswax. That's fantastic. They're in the one boot bag each with the Bordon logo on it. Let's get them out. Oh, very nice. One boot. And the second boot. 100% made in Colombia by traditional craftsmen and women. The upper is in a wax suede similar to Waxy Commando from CF Stead, but this is an Italian leather. This is, I think, in the medium brown. I can't remember whether I ordered medium brown or dark brown. Double row stitch down construction. which goes all the way through to the sole. The outsole is a Vibram Commando sole with a Vibram Commando heel top lift. Very nice. The insole and outsole is, I understand, Colombian veg tan leather, and it's the excess from this that they make those keychains with. Round wax laces. Oh, and this bright red, very nice looking bright red Italian calf leather lining. It's fully lined with calf leather. Stuffed with paper to keep the shape during transport. Single pull-up. The wax suede is a very waxy feel, a little bit more than Charles F. Stead, but you know, I suspect this will be waterproof or water resistant. Let's take a look at it in some detail. As far as I can see, the quality control is pretty good. There's a Bordon stamp on there. The hardware looks very stable. They're not backed, they're sort of star pressed. This inner lining feels good. The stitching on the pull tab is strong. Double stitched backstay, two-piece backstay, single stitch. Triple stitch quarter. And a double stitch toe cap. Very neat. I can't see any loose stitching anywhere. And the stitch down also looks pretty neat. Let's see what the other boot's like. Again, QC-wise, I can't see any loose stitching. Really solid stitching, handcrafted, I guess, hand-stitched. That's terrific. So let's try them on for size and wear them around a bit. As it turns out, these are European size 41, which is about a half size down from my Brannock. Fits perfectly. So the Instagram messaging about my measurements and size seems to have worked out. Thank you, Andres. They feel extremely sturdy on my feet. Quite a wide toe box and ball of the foot. Oops, the paper's still in there. Both feet feel good. Clearly I'm not going to be wearing these with the suit trousers I'm wearing now. Yes, very sturdy, nice thick soles. Okay, so that's it. The unboxing of the Bordon Tukano boot. Now, I'll be reviewing this in a few months' time after I've worn it a little while. Make sure I get to get the real feel of it so that I can tell you what it's like to wear in. Now, before you go away, I hope you like this video, and if you do, click on the like and subscribe buttons below, because I'm going to have many more boot-related videos to bring to you. See you soon.